A single person. No malware. No zero-day exploits. No hacking team. Just a ChatGPT subscription. 6 weeks. And 195 million taxpayer records stolen from the Mexican government. This happened in January 2026. An Israeli cybersecurity firm found the conversation logs online. Step by step. They showed exactly how Claude AI was turned into an offensive hacking assistant. 9 government agencies were breached. Mexico's IRS equivalent. The National Electoral Institute. State systems across 4 states. A water utility. 150 gigabytes of data. Gone. Here's the part that will keep you up at night. The attacker didn't use custom malware. No 0 days. No nation-state resources. They used a bug bounty framing. Legitimate penetration testing. To get Claude started. Claude actually pushed back. When instructions appeared to hide logs and delete history, Claude flagged it. In legitimate bug bounty, you don't hide your actions. Claude refused things. Repeatedly. But then came the move that broke everything. Instead of back and forth conversation, which kept triggering guardrails, the attacker wrote one massive prompt. A complete operational playbook. Fed all at once. No conversational context. Just, here are your full instructions. Execute. That single technique bypassed the safety filters entirely. After that, Claude found vulnerabilities, wrote exploit scripts, automated data extraction, and executed thousands of commands. When Claude refused specific requests, they switched to ChatGPT. 2 AI tools, playing to each other's strengths, like a relay race through government networks. The security firm's CEO said it best. This reality is changing all the game rules we have ever known. He's right. The barrier to serious cyber attacks used to be enormous. Nation-state teams' years of expertise. Custom tools. That barrier is now a $20 monthly subscription. The irony? The same techniques used here. Recon. Enumeration. Vulnerability analysis. Are exactly what ethical hackers use in legitimate bug bounty programs. Companies pay serious money for these skills when used responsibly. Immunefi alone has over $1 billion in bug bounties waiting to be claimed. The difference between a criminal and a security researcher is intent, consent, and a report, not the knowledge. This is the era where understanding AI and cybersecurity together is the most valuable skill set on the planet. Subscribe if you want to understand how this world actually works.